busy day today. We have 2 shows today plus a full tech rehearsal because we are having a new cast member come in. The Jerry Lee that was playing him before left. The guy that replaced Jerry Lee left, and so now we have a 3rd Jerry Lee coming in. His name was Jefferson. He is from the cast that's coming in 2 weeks, but they had to fly him out early, so we have to do a complete reblock in a way and get him into the show today. Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, good.
Can I go over the microphone penis thing?
Yeah.
The timing of that?
How you doing?
Absolutely. Bryn wants to do the microphone penis.
I heard.
Okay. Oh yeah, good show. High energy. Jefferson, the new Jerry Lee, is like on point. Completely integrated into the show. It's all good. You never know how a new cast member is going to mesh. It's always nice when they do, and it works, and it's effortless. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, cool. I'll show you one quick thing too. This is the back hallway. Lining this are various blues icons, some that Sam Phillips recorded himself. And here, this is the back of the LED wall. And here we have our jackets that we come back here after the show. We put the finale jackets on, and then we go out and do the finale. Right here is the backup guitar in case I break a string on stage, God forbid. I can come back here and grab this spare guitar and make the change as quickly as possible.